Hi everybody, sure good to see you. I hope you're well. Pull you up a chair, sit with me a spell while I share the history of the Brownsport furnace. The Brownsport furnace was the first hot blast furnace built in Tennessee. Iron was mined from nearby hematite deposits and processed here until 1876. The region was known as the Coalings because of the extensive charcoal production here during the iron mining days. The Brownsport furnace is listed on the National Register of Historical Places. The crumbling ruins of the furnace was used for melting iron ore, the most valuable mineral in Decatur and adjoining counties. The brick and stone furnace stack and parts of the base of the old charging bridge remain from this sizable early operation. It was lucky to be located so close to the river, so several heavy loads of pig iron could be hauled daily to the landing, loaded upon awaiting steamboats. Slaves helped construct the furnace, commissary, trails, and cabins for the workers. Ore was dug from the local hills and carted on a flattened off hillside overlooking the furnace. Piles of wood and charcoal were placed between the layers of ore, and the fire kindled at the bottom with just enough air admitted through the damper hole to make the fire burn hottest. The melted iron was poured into molds to make pans, pots, and other goods, or into bars called pigs that were then sold to the forges. Iron manufacturing was a big part of the Decatur County's economy in the 1800s. The iron industry there is long gone, but you can still see beautiful remnant of it on the southeastern part of the county. Decatur County Brownsport furnace bears of pig iron were produced and shipped to foundries all over the county. It was made into tools, machineries, and other products. Even though hundreds of slaves worked at the furnace, all of the local furnaces are abandoned today. The furnace is now a remote public park donated to the county by the paper company in 1977. And today, the park is closed because I believe that they are refurbishing the stack because it was just crumbled ruins. So hopefully they're restoring it back to its once awesome glory for all to visit. Folks, I want to thank you so much for sitting and listening to me today as I shared this awesome history. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope y'all have a good day. We love you to pieces. We'll see you next time.